This is a continuation of the previous video on this topic. So we're looking at two things here. We want to find the general solution, and then want to find all solutions for the respective questions. So we're looking at question 6. Okay, question 6 is cos 2x is equal to sine 3x. Please, if you missed the first video, please check the video and watch before continuing to watch the part 2 of that of these topics. Yeah, we're looking at this question. So the first thing we have to check is this function and this function, are they the same? They are not the same. So what we do is to make it the same, and then we're going to write this sine 3x. Note that sine 3x is equal to cos 90 minus 3x. Okay, these are complementary angle. Complementary in the sense that when you add the two functions together, they add up to 90. Okay, or we can call them the co-functions. As we all know that sine 30 is equal to cos 60. Okay, complementary angle. Likewise also cos 60 is equal to what? Sine cosine 30. Okay, so in that case now, so this is what we're able to use now to substitute for sine 3x. So we now have, therefore, we now have cos 2x is equal to what? Equal to cos 90 minus 3x. So therefore now we can see now the functions are the same. Cos, cosine here, cosine here, they are the same. So in that case now we can quickly find the general solution. The general solution is what do you have here? You can see the cosine will cancel out. Cosine will cancel out. Just have 2x equal to 4. Cosine function is always 360 n plus or minus 90 minus 3x. Okay, that's your function there. Okay, this cosine cancel, just have 2x equal to 90 minus 3x. So this is our general solution. These are general solution. And then in this case now we're going to look at it in two ways. We'll take the positive sign and then we'll also take the negative sign. So taking the positive sign, let's take the positive sign, which will be equal to 2x equal to 360 plus 19 minus 3x. Then you can move this 3x to the other side. So we have 5x equal to what? 360 plus 90. 360n plus 90. And then x will now become 360 over 5, 72n. Okay, plus 90 divided by 5, we have 18. So that's for the positive one. So let's get the list of values. Let's get the solution for that. When n is 1, we have what? N is 1. We have 72 plus we have 90 when n is 1. When n is 2, for that equation, we have 72 times 2 plus 18. We have 160. When n is 0, we have 18. When n is 0, we have 18. When n is 1, we have 90. When n is 2, we have 160. When n is 3, 72 times 3 plus 18, we have 2, 3, 4. When n is 4, we have 3 over 6. When n is 4, we have 3 over 6. Okay. What of n is 5? Is 378, which is outside the range. You have to check the instruction from 0 to 360 degrees. It's outside the range. Okay, so that's the solutions we have for that equation. Okay, let's take the negative sign. For the negative sign, for negative side, let's see if it's going to work. We have 2x equal to 360 minus 90 minus 3x. So which equal to 2x equal to 360 and minus 90. Okay, and then plus 3x. So we can move this one to other side, which will be equal to minus x, 2x minus 3x, equal to what? 360 minus n plus minus 90. Then we can multiply 2 by minus, so we have x equal to what? 90 minus 360 n. So this is for the negative. This is general equation for the negative one. So let's begin to check. When n is 0, we only have 90. We have 90. N is 0. X is 90, which is also here, 90 degree. N is 1. Do have the value. N is 1 will be negative, which will be outside the range with negative. N is 2 also will be what? Will also be negative outside the range. So the solutions are what? Our solutions are what? This one we have here. Solution will be 18 degree, 90 degree, 162, 234, and 306. So these are the solutions for the equations. Then we'll go to the next question. Go to the next question. That's 10, question 2, tan 6 theta equal to tan theta. So you can see the functions are the same, tan. Okay, so I quickly get the general solution. So the general solution is 6 theta equal to, for tangent, we know that it's going to be n 180 degree plus your what? Plus theta. So that's the general solution. Okay, because your tan cancel out. It's have 6 theta equal to theta. Okay, so that's your general solution. And don't forget that 6 theta equal to theta is just a solution. We need to find other solutions. Okay, so this is general solution to get the list of the solutions. So here now we can say the choice is ours. That's theta equal to what? Divide 2 by doing that. We can move this one to other side, and that will be 5 theta equal to n 160. Okay, and theta can be equal to 180 divided by 5. That's 36. So we have 36 degree. If you move this one to other side, that's 5 theta. And we can get the list of our solution. When n is 1, we have 36. When n is 2, we have I think 72. That's 72. That's 36 times 2. N is 3. We have 108. N is 4. N is 4. We have 144. N is 5. We have 180. N is 6. We have 260. N is 7. We have 252. N is 8. We have 288. N is 9. We have 324. N is 10. N is 10 will be 360. So, which is these are the values, these are the solutions within the specified range from 0 to 360. So these are the list of the solutions within that from 0 to 360. So that's that on this question. The fourth one, we have that's question 8. Question 8. This is question 7. Questions and continuations. Question 8, we have sine 4x equal to sine 2x. Okay. Here they are already in sine and sine. Okay. So what we can do now to make it practicable is to come here. Sine 2x is equivalent to sine 180 minus 2x. And I'll show that to us. The equivalency, I'll show that to us. Don't forget that sine this is equal to sine 180 cos 2x, then minus cos 180 sine 2x. So if you check this, sine 180 is 0, so this will go. So we have this one, which is minus sine cos 180 is minus 1 times sine 2x. Okay, so minus times minus, that's plus, and that's what? Sine 2x. That's showing the equivalency that sine 2x is equal to this. I've shown that now. Okay, so that's what we're going to use. Then in that case now, we can now get our general solution. The general solution is 2x equal to 180 n plus minus 1 power n. Okay, and then the function 180 minus 2x. Okay, because the sine will go, so you just have 2x equal to this. That'll be your angle. So this is what we have now. And if you don't know how the general solution, it has been stated in the first video for different trig functions. Okay, so in this case now, we can open this one, which will be equal to minus 1 power n, that's 180. Then minus 1 power n 2x. Okay, so this is what we have now. Then we can move this one to other side to go and make the 2x. Let me check the question again. Sorry, this is 4x. This is 4x. It's a slip of pen. Sorry, this is 4x. So this also will be what? This will be also, yeah, this is 4x here. This also will be 4x. Yeah, this is 4 here. So this is 4. Okay, so 4x equal to that. So this is what we have now. Then we can move this one to other side. So that will be equal to 4x. And this is minus here. So plus minus 1 2x equal to 180 n plus minus 1 power n 180. So then here x is common, you can take the x out, and that's what we are looking for. X into brackets 4 plus minus 1 to power n times 2 equal to, here if you like you can also factorize the 180 into bracket n plus minus 1 power n. Let's count this one, let's use the sign. So then we can make the x the subject, and that will be equal to 180 into bracket n plus minus 1 power n all over 4 plus minus 1 power n times 2. So that's the general, that's how we solve that's general solution. Yeah, this one and this one are the same thing. Okay, but it's more better to have a specified equations. Okay, so what we need to do now is begin to substitute for the n, which is the integer. Okay, let's try n equal to 0. Does it make sense there? N equal to 0 here, that will be equal to 0, that's 1. Okay, that's 180. N equal to 0. N equal to 0. So what do you have? We have 1 there, that's 180. Up there, that's like 0 plus 1. So that's 1. Then here also, that'll be, that's 1. About 0, that's 1. So that'll be over 6. So the first value will be 30. And then equal to 0. Okay. So I'm listing the solution, 30. Okay. Then the next value, n equal to 1. Try the 1. This will be 180 into bracket 1. Yeah, this will not make sense because this is 1 to give you the, when you have negative as a base, if you have odd function, it will be negative. So it will be 1 minus 1. So that one go. So we'll not go for that. We'll go for 2. N equal to 2. Let's see the value. When n is 2, we have 2 plus 1. So this will be 1. Okay. Once it's even function, it becomes positive. Plus 1 over, at the bottom also we have 6 over 6, so that's 4 plus 2, so over 6, that will be 90. Okay, that will be 90. Let's see n equal to 3, see what we have there. And when it's 3, when n is 3, we'll do a 3 here, and this is minus 1. Okay, that's minus 1. That's minus 1, 3 minus 1, and here that will also be what? 4 minus 2 over 2 there. 4 minus 2. Okay, that's minus 1 here to power 3. Okay, n equal to 1. This is n equal to 2. So n equal to 3, I think it's giving us a 180. N equal to 3, it's giving us 180. It's giving us 180. N equal to 3. That's 2 minus 1. Yeah, even this, when it's n equal to 3, this one will cancel out. So that's 180. N equal to 4, let's check that. N is equal to 4. We have 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. And then this will be equal to over 6 at the bottom. That's 150. Why is n equal to 4? N equal to 4, that's that. Yeah, n equal to 4. 180, that's 4 plus 1. Okay. And then this will be equal to power 4. That's 1. That's 6 also there. That's 6. That's 150. That's 150. Okay. N equal to 5. Let's check that. N equal to 5. N equal to 5. That'll be 180 into bracket. This is 5, and this is minus 1. It's minus 1. And then at the bottom, that's a 2. That's 2. That's 360. For n equal to 5, that's 360. That's 360 for n equal to 5. Okay. Check the other one. Let's see. I think n equal to 6. For n equal to 6, the denominator will be 6. We have 6. 6 minus 1. N equal to 6. 6 plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. And then at the bottom, that will be 6 also. That is a 210. That's 210. That's 210 for n equal to 6. That's 210. N equal to 7. Equal to 7. 540. I'm going to cancel that. Let's check n equal to 8, and then we'll stop there. N equal to 8. N equal to 8. N equal to 8 is 270. Okay, that's 270. Okay. That's the n equal to, I'm going to cancel the odd number. I'll go to n equal to 10. Let's say n equal to 10. N equal to 10. N equal to 10 is 330. So these are the solutions for this equation. These are the solutions for this equation, and this one is the general solutions. Okay, so this is that on this. Okay, the next video will be on trigonometric equation involving different ratios of the same angle. So we'll still continue on this. We'll still continue. So please, if you're new on this channel, please hit that notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Thank you for doing that.